this video, it's all about Dubai Miracle Garden. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, thanks so much for watching. And today in this video, it's all about Dubai Miracle Garden. This place is freaking amazing. So let me tell you about the pricing. Pricing is 75 for adult, local currency, 75 dirham. And then kids 3 and above are 60, all the way up to 12. Now this place has over 70,000 Google reviews. I'm not kidding you, 70,000. So as you can see right behind me, you literally got an Emirates A380 two-story airplane right behind me, made out of flowers. How awesome, crazy is that? Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much.
Oh my god, airplane! Airplane with flowers! Kangaroo!
Oh, you're turning into Shrek. Happy? Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when the sun goes down. So not as fun, as bright, as busy. So this is why I suggest you come here during the daytime. I know it's hot, the sun is out, but it's definitely worth it coming here during the daytime. Do not recommend it during nighttime. Alright guys, so right next to the garden you also have a butterfly park right here. So the butterfly park only has about 8,000 reviews, so it's not nowhere close to the 70,000, and it's the same price. So might as well go to one that has more reviews at the end of the day. Unless you want to go to both, they literally cost 75 local currency per person, including kids, standard price. Alright guys, so we are wrapping up the day here at the Dubai Miracle Garden. Amazing place, definitely worth the $90. This place is huge, and I would tell you my favorite and the kids' favorite in the entire park were definitely the Smurfs. The Smurfs house, characters, every one of them, so it's really cool. That was definitely our favorite part. It's kind of hidden, so make sure that you look for it. But with that said, thanks so much for watching. We have 2 more videos in the end that you can click on. Thank you. Alright folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.